In this week's African Agri Overview, proudly brought to you by Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems, we look at the latest maize prices across Africa and also discuss why a forex shortage can limit Mozambique maize imports. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. But with that, let's look at the latest maize prices across Africa. Beira traded on $265, Nampula on $250, Lusaka traded on $200, Harare on $350, Iringa in central Tanzania on $290, while Dar es Salaam traded on $305 per metric ton. Remember, if you'd like more detail on these markets and what's driving these price movements, or become one of our sponsors on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. And with that, let's hand over to Jacques Pinaar for this week's update on the grain markets.
Welcome all viewers. This week we look at the Mozambique maize market and in particular how the forex crisis could impact this market. Take note, there is very little information/statistics available on Mozambique commodities. The numbers used in this podcast are our best estimates and should be seen as such. Before we continue, it is important to mention the difference in climate and general weather across the length of Mozambique. Mozambique stretches over 2,500 kilometers from the northern border with Tanzania to the southern border with South Africa. It is generally divided into three regions with vastly different climates, namely the north, the center, and the south, as indicated on the map. Main maize production areas are the central and northern region. The south probably produces less than 10% of the national crop. This graph indicates our production and consumption estimates for Mozambique the last 8 years, and our forecast for 2025-26, running more or less from May 2025 to April 2026. Mozambique usually informally exports to Malawi, Zambia and Zimbabwe in surplus years and imports from Malawi and Zambia in deficit years. The southern region always imports from South Africa, as maize from this origin almost constantly land in Maputo at a discount compared to maize being moved from central Mozambique due to the lower transport costs. Let's focus on 2025-26. The rainy season started late in early January. However, since then, good rains were reported and growing conditions remained favorable. There was a cyclone that affected the northern region during March and crop damage was reported. However, our contacts feel increased planting in this region should limit the overall production loss. Observers talking of a national crop of around 2.3 to 2.5 million tons versus local consumption estimates around 2.5 million tons, a small deficit. If one considers that the price of lower quality rice and maize meal now similar, one should expect maize meal to lose market share to rice, which could narrow the small deficit even further. Mozambique is currently in the midst of a forex supply crisis. We understand several wheat mills have been forced to stop milling operations as they are not receiving sufficient forex allocations to pay for wheat imports. There is optimism the situation could improve next few months due to exports of sesame seed and pulses. Also talk developments around the gas fields in northern Mozambique resuming, but forex flows from these projects could take time. The current situation also negatively affecting maize imports from South Africa into Maputo, but some observers optimistic the forex crisis should improve in due course and maize meal flows from South Africa should normalize. Hopefully this optimism comes to fruition. Mozambique usually imports 150 to 250,000 tons per annum of maize from South Africa and 40 to 50,000 tons of maize meal. This graph shows the Beira Central Region and Nampula Northern Region maize price history the last 10 years. Volatile is probably an understatement. The current price in Beira is around $265 a ton and Nampula $250 a ton. General view, there is further short-term price downside given healthy crop expectations. A question frequently being asked of late is how the current forex crisis could impact maize imports from South Africa into southern Mozambique and the impact it could have on general price trends. The red line shows current South African import parity for Maputo and the blue line current price in Maputo of maize shipped from central Mozambique. Local maize $25 a ton more expensive. Question is, if the forex crisis will be resolved. If not, expect higher prices in southern Mozambique if South African imports stop or slow significantly. This should also limit downside price potential for the central region as the southern region's demand for local supply should grow. Next week we will look at the Kenya maize market where crop expectations are promising. But Kenya should remain a net importing maize country. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed tailored information.
Thank you, Jock. Interesting as always. Now is the time to update your driveline. Get Zematic gearboxes, motors, coupler kits and wheels at a special offer available while stocks last. Contact your nearest Zematic dealer for a quote today and invest in a system for the future. Grow with Zematic. A big thank you again to our sponsors, Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems, for making this content possible. If you're interested in becoming a sponsor on this video or subscribing to more detailed market reports, get in touch with us today. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to join us next week for more insights and updates on the African grain markets.